friends, and welcome back. So every year for my birthday I always do a big IKEA trip. It's the only time in the year that I go to IKEA. Our IKEA is about 2 hours away, so I always plan to go and make a really big trip for my birthday. I keep a list throughout the year and I get things that we need for the house and things that I just want for my house. So this year my IKEA haul was $440, but if you're an IKEA friends and family member, then you get a coupon in the mail for $10. So that helps, right? So I'm going to be showing you guys today my $440 birthday IKEA haul. Yay! Corey bought this. It had to have been like $100. This is all his fault. I got this as a vase to keep flowers in. I got some wooden crates. This is their small wooden crate. And I also got their large wooden crate that needs to be put together. What else? Okay. This is a box. Oh, we got a stool, because we have one stool that the kids use, but we have lots of kids, so I thought another stool would be nice. These are just magazine files. My main goal for this trip was to do a lot for the boys' room, so each boy got one of these lights. Is it focusing? Let's see. Got one of these lights because they have bunk beds, so they can go next to their bunk beds, and they're adjustable, so they swing and they can have kind of a light in their own bed. So I got 2 of those. That has been on my list. I also, for the boys' room, got them a rug. This is a hopscotch rug, and it's just going to go like at the base of their bed, so when Cam climbs down off the bunk bed in the morning, he's got something. Also got 4 of these since we repainted our kitchen. They Velcro instead of tie, which is nice because the kids like to untie the cushions that are on our island chairs, kitchen island chairs. Whew, it's a workout. For the boys' room too, they each got one of these boxes. It is just like a cardboard box. It is a 35 by 56 by 30 centimeters. 31 by 22 by 11. That makes more sense. But I told them I would get them each a box because with so many kids and there's 2 boys in a room and 2 girls in a room, they don't really have a place for their own stuff that other kids can't touch. So a lot of times it just piles up in their beds and they keep it at the foot of their bed. So I told the boys I would get them each a box and they can limit whatever they put in their bed into this box. And these look like a really good size. So each boy got one of those to put all of their treasures in. So we got this for the girls and we'll probably save it for Christmas. But it is just a clothes rack. And I got them some mini wooden hangers too. And then this is just for all of their play and dress up stuff. And it comes on wheels, so that's nice. You can kind of roll it around in their room, hang all their little princess dresses on it. And I figured too, it can grow with them, so it has different settings. It's like, can start out short and get tall. And with 2 girls sharing one bedroom, they'll probably use this when they're older too. I got a couple of these hanging bars. I've just seen them like all over Pinterest. I've seen them like on the sides of islands, and I know I want to put one in my kitchen underneath the chalkboard sign that I made to hang like cutting boards and things like that on. So I got 3 of these. And is that all of the big stuff? I think that's most of the big stuff. Ugh. We joked this year and said it was the year of pillows because I got a lot of pillows. I got not that many. There's 6 people in this house, and the kids like to take my nice square pillows that I keep like out in the living room, and they use them in their bed. So I got each kid their own square pillow. So I got 4 of those. 4 of those, and pillowcases. So the girls got pink ones, and the boys got gray ones. So also got an Ikea plant. These are those little mini hangers that the girls are gonna have for all of their little dress up clothes. I just thought they were so cute. They're like mini wooden hangers and have all their princess dresses on them. And again, we'll save this as part of their Christmas gifts and get them maybe a couple more dresses to hang up on it too. I got some of these decor balls. One of these, so pumped. This one's plastic, which I thought was nice because the kids can't break it because they have a habit breaking my stuff. So plastic, one of those. I got 2 candles for fall. This one is pumpkin and this one is toasted marshmallow. Another set of hangers for the girls. Oh, these are hooks that will hang on those black bars so I can hang different things off of them, like this cutting board. I didn't even see if it would fit. But anyway, I want to hang like cutting boards and things. I don't know, I saw it all over Pinterest. You probably know what I'm talking about. Got another set of little ones and a set of big ones too. I got the light bulbs that go with the boys' lamps. And I got 2 of these baskets. So right now we have 4 baskets underneath our TV stand, and they are just collapsible fabric bins, and they're from Dollar Tree. And really I have to replace them quite often, so I thought we would be grown-ups and have some grown-up decor in our house and replace the 2 bins with 1 of these. So we'll have 2 on each side of our entertainment center. We can keep all of our stuff in. So 2 of those. I'm almost done. Seems like not very much stuff spent, but it is a lot of stuff. It's a lot of little stuff, nothing huge, but I'm happy. So I got a gray blanket. I like gray. And you can never have enough blankets, right? Fall's coming. I need all the blankets. All right, I also got the boys both one of these blankets. I really wanted to get them the gray gingham duvet cover set that they have, but they were out in the twin size, so I got these for now, and then maybe we'll order the gingham ones or see if we can get them later in the year. But I was really kind of sad that they didn't have them in the twins, but each of the boys got one of these, so I can fake it till I make it. These are still really cute, and they're really soft, and they're gray, and they'll go within their rooms even if we do get that gingham duvet set. I got this. Oh, a tablecloth. I got this as a tablecloth, and it's very farmhousey. Let me focus you. Yeah, it's farmhousey. I'm not sure what size did I get. I was kind of a situation in the store trying to figure out what size to get. I got the 94-inch, and we will see if that fits my table because I'm pretty excited about this. I got 2 sets of the dish towels because, I mean, dish towels are meant to be used, but you know, you keep some nice. I want them to be white, and every year I just pick up a couple new packs, so we have them throughout the year because they get dirty and dingy and gross, so I just want to replace them. And curtains, these are for the boys' room too. So I got 2 sets, so 4 curtains total of just sheer white curtains that can go up in their room. The pile's getting pretty big. Oh, we got a grinder for herbs. If you've seen a couple of my videos, you know that we have a little garden up on the hill and we get a lot of dried herbs from that. So we thought this would be kind of cool to crush up like our oregano or stuff like that. So we use oregano the most. So I mostly got this one for oregano. This is a bag of pretzel. I don't know how this ended up in my IKEA stuff. Child did it. I didn't get that at IKEA. And then the last thing was the other basket. Holy cannoli. So this is my birthday haul. Let me know if you want any more specific details about anything that we got. I'm really excited about it. Make sure you follow me over on Instagram because I'll more than likely post pictures when we get the boys' room set up, we hang those lights. So check it out over there. It's just at our mouse house over on Instagram. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you like this haul, this video, let me know, and maybe next birthday I'll take you on a shop with me at IKEA and I'll show you the haul that I get next year. It's so far away, but I'll start my list. Let me know any of your favorite things at IKEA too so I can add them to my list for next year. Make sure you subscribe so you can follow all of our adventures. Give it a big thumbs up. Tap that bell and let me know down in the comments if you have any favorite things from IKEA that I missed out on this year. Or let me know what your favorite thing from this haul was. Bye guys.